Hello my dear friends, in this session we are going to study about reason of replacing turbine to throttle. That means why we use throttling valve and why we are not going to use turbine. Okay, so let's start. So my dear friends, in VCRS system, that means vapor compressor refrigeration system, that means in VCRS, that means vapor compression refrigeration system, we are going to use or we deal with four component. First component is your heat exchanger, that means your evaporator where heat extraction, that means refrigeration effect gonna be occur. Second component is your work consuming device, that means where work input gonna be occur and named as that component is your compressor, where your gaseous form of refrigerant compressed gonna be compressed and having high temperature. And third component is also your heat exchanger named as condenser where heat rejection gonna be occur to the surrounding. Is it right? And fourth at last your component is your throttle valve. Is it clear? Fourth component is your throttle valve. So my dear friends, in this session, in this lecture, we are going to focus over this fourth component named as throttle valve. Why we are going to use this component, why we are going to use this throttle valve, and why we are not use turbine. Is it right? So why we are not going to use turbine, why we are going to use only throttle valve, why, what is the basic reason behind it? Okay my dear friends, so let's start. Now here for any open flow process, the work done for the any open flow system is what? Is your nothing but integration of minus specific heat volume with differential of P. That means this is your specific volume, and this is your differential. That means difference of pressure. That means your difference of pressure. So for any open system, the work done for any open system is what? Integration of minus V dP. Okay, that means your work done is purely depend over what? Purely depend, that means directly proportional to your specific volume. Is it right now? Your specific volume, this. And my dear friends, if you are using turbine, that means you have to operate this turbine with respect to refrigerant which are in gaseous in form. And if you are use this throttle valve, then your refrigerant must be in liquid state. Is it right now? And you also know that the specific volume for the gases is very and very high for a specific volume for a gas. Is it right? That means the specific volume of liquid is very low as compared to specific volume of gases. That means here also the specific volume of refrigerant which are in gases in form is very and very high as the specific volume, the specific volume here, the specific volume for a refrigerant which are in liquid form. That means we can say that here he the work output for a refrigerant which are in gaseous form is very and very high as compared to work output for a refrigerant which are in liquid state. Is it right now? So this work output is a work output of what? Compression, because here the refrigerant in gaseous form. That means this is a work output for a turbine, and this is a work output for a refrigerant in liquid form. Refrigerant in liquid form, that is throttle valve. So this is a work output for a throttle valve. Okay, clear? So my dear friends, the work output for a throttle valve is very less than the work output for a turbine. That means if you are going to operate, if you are going to operate this VC cycle with respect to, if you are going to operate this VC cycle with respect to this, with respect to turbine, this is your, if you are taking a turbine here, and this is your compressor, and this is your evaporator, and this is your condenser, and this is your compressor. And second stage, if you are going to take this condenser, and this is compressor, and this is your evaporator, and this is your throttle valve. So here very less amount of work output gonna be occur, and here very huge amount of work output gonna be occur. That means अगर यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा वर्क आउटपुट हो रहा है, इसका मतलब कि आपको यहाँ पे वर्क इनपुट भी बहुत ज्यादा देना पड़ेगा. इज इट राइट? दैट मीन्स पावर कंजप्शन बहुत ज्यादा होगा. दैट मीन्स ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लगेगी. मतलब ये जो आपका VCRS बनेगा काफी ज्यादा कॉस्टली होगा. बट here your work output is very low. That means you have to supply very less amount of work input. That means power consumption is very less. That means your electricity supply, that means electricity bill is also very less. That means here you got a VCRS system with a very effective cost. That's why we need to replace turbine by throttle. That's why we have to use this throttle valve over turbine. Is it right, my dear friends? So thank you for watching this video.